As the next speaker, I would like to invite Mr. Abdurraheem. His topic is global peace and conflict.
الحمد لله وكفى وسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم فإن تنازعتم في شيء فردوه إلى الله والرسول إن كنتم تؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر صدق الله العلي العظيم. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear audience. First of all, I would like to welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to talk about a topic that resonates with every corner of the world: global peace and conflict. From time immemorial, humanity has strived for peace, yet history is littered with conflicts, wars, revolutions, and territorial disputes. My dear friends, why is it that in a world capable such of beauty, we still struggle to coexist harmoniously? Global peace is not the merely absence of war. It's the presence of justice, equality, and mutual respect. It's the dream of a world where nations collaborate, communities thrive, and people, regardless of race, religion, or nationality, live without fear. However, this vision is constantly threatened by conflicts, fueled by greed, power struggles, and ideological differences. Esteemed audience, let's take a moment to reflect on the devastating consequences of conflict. From the world wars to the current strife in regions like Ukraine and Middle East, millions of innocent lives have been lost, families torn apart, homes destroyed, and economies crippled. Conflict leaves a scar that takes generations to heal. Dear audience, Islam emphasizes the significance of peace and justice. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hand people are safe, and the believer is the one people trust with their lives and wealth." Sunan Nasai, hadith number 4998. This hadith teaches us that true peace begins when every individual ensures the safety and security of others in both actions and words. My beloved brothers, history also teaches us about the power of unity and diplomacy. Institutions like the United Nations were created to foster dialogue, prevent war, and promote peace. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela showed us that nonviolence and forgiveness can overcome even the most deeply rooted conflicts. Yet achieving global peace is not solely the responsibility of governments or leaders. It begins with us. Peace starts in our homes, our schools, and our communities. by embracing diversity, resolving differences peacefully, and standing up against injustice, each of us can contribute to a more harmonious world. Dear listeners, the path to peace is not easy. It requires courage, empathy, and unwavering commitment. But imagine a world where resources are spent not on weapons, but on education, healthcare, and combating climate change. Imagine a future where every child can grow up without the shadow of war. In conclusion, my dear brothers, global peace is not a utopian dream. It's a goal worth striving for. As Martin Luther King Jr. wisely said, peace is not merely a distant goal that we see, but a means by which we arrive at that goal. Let's work together to make this dream a reality, for peace is not just a necessity, it's our shared destiny. Here I conclude my speech. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Thank you, sir.